Assalamu alaikum. This is an announcement of the launch of our Microsoft Official Academic course on Microsoft Excel 2016. As I announced earlier a few days back that this course will be launched, and this course is based on the exam objectives for Microsoft Excel core exam, which is 77-727 in the Microsoft Office Specialist Exams series. This course is based on Microsoft's official academic course material, which includes step-by-step instructions followed by knowledge assessments, which is quiz, and then followed by small projects which strengthen the understanding and practical skills of the students. This course includes 13 lessons, which are these. The first is the overview. Then we see the Microsoft Excel window and details about how we work in Microsoft Excel. Then a course on Office Backstage, and then we will start doing basic formulas, and then using functions and formatting of cells and ranges, formatting of worksheets, and then managing worksheets. Then we will look into working with different kinds of data, and also we will touch macros. Then we will move to some advanced formulas, and followed by that is the securing and sharing of workbooks and creating charts. And the 13th lesson is about adding pictures and shapes to a worksheet. Please note that this is the first course that I am launching, which is for the core. There is another course which will be followed after completing this course, that is for the advanced level Excel use, and that also is based on the Microsoft Excel academic course, but that is for expert level exam, is 7 to 8. So that after completing this, I will be launching that course as well. This is a brief introduction of what is coming up in the course, and the course will inshallah be live in 2 days, and you will be able to access the course through our learning management system, which is called Tailored Spark. You will send me your full name and email address, and I will enroll you for the course. Please note that the first 5 lessons of this course will be absolutely free. Anyone can join and take the course and go through those 5 lessons. And the rest of the course, rest of the lessons will be paid. That's not very costly, but the course material is designed that you will be able to enjoy the course, and after completing this course you will have a very good skill, and will also be able to further enhance your skills. So see you in the learning management system in the live course, and the enrollment has started. If you wish to join the course, please send me your full name and email address. Thank you.